Welcome to our tutorial on adding cargo details in our shipping platform. Today, we will walk you through the process step by step. First, after selecting your preferred shipping quote, you'll be prompted to add cargo details. Let's dive in. Here we are. The first thing you'll see is the collection date. This is the date your cargo will be ready for collection based on your earlier selection. Make sure it fits your schedule. Next, you'll need to enter details about your cargo, including the type of goods you are shipping, their dimensions, and weight. You can get this information from your supplier or refer to your packing list if you already have one. Now, if you're booking a full container load, you'll see containers listed here according to the number of containers that you have selected. Let's start with the first one. In this drop-down menu, you can choose the type of cargo you're shipping. Don't worry if you don't see your commodity listed. Just select Other. For instance, let's say we're shipping toys. Then input the volume and weight in cubic meters and kilograms respectively. Moving on to the second container, for this container, I will be shipping two types of commodities, furniture and textiles. Just like before, select the commodity from the drop-down menu and input the volume and weight. For adding the second commodity, click Add Commodity. If you need to delete or add another commodity, you can click here on the side. Remember that the total volume for both commodities in this second container should not surpass 67 cubic meters. Once you're satisfied with the details, click Next to proceed. And there you have it. Cargo details added successfully. You're now ready to move on to the next step, adding contact details. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials on how to make the most of our platform.